How to get more lives in Royal Match. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through step-by-step process on how to get more lives in Royal Match. Now let's get started. To get more lives in Royal Match, go ahead and open the Royal Match application on your device firstly. Now, as you can see, I only have 4 lives here and have lost 1 life, so tap on the lives option on the top. Since it is showing 27 minutes in order to replenish 1 life, but if you do not want to wait, then you have 2 options here. First, tap on the free live option. You will now have to join a team to get free lives. So tap on the join button. You will have to reach level 21 to join the team. So save this option for later. And now go back and tap on the refill 900 coins option and you will get a life. Also, if you do not have enough coins, tap on the coins option on the top of your screen and go ahead and purchase the coins according to your need and then buy the lives. So this is how you can get more lives in Royal Match. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.